at this sentence, books of Amit are very interesting. Okay, now here you look at these words. Books of Amit means Amit ki books. So one way of writing it is like this, books of Amit. Okay, now how can you change it into possessive form? To change it into possessive form, you can also write it as, books of Amit as Amit's books. So what did we do? Books of Amit, we wrote Amit, we put an apostrophe after Amit, then we write one S, Amit's books. Okay. Next sentence in the book is, the coat of Mohan is very expensive. So you have to pay attention on the words. The coat of Mohan means Mohan ka coat. How can you change this into possessive case? You have to write it as Mohan, then you have to put this apostrophe and S, Mohan's, then you have to write it C-O-A-T, coat. Mohan's coat is very expensive. So it is written in the book, but I am just trying to explain you which part you have to convert. The coat of Mohan means होता है मोहन का कोट. इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं possessive case में? मोहन apostrophe S and then coat. Mohan's coat. Amit's books. This form is called your possessive case. In the same pattern, the sentences are converted in your book. The brother of Archana is my friend. You have to change this part. The brother of Archana. Archana ka brother. Archana's brother. Archana apostrophe S and then brother is my friend. The house of Ravi is very spacious. किसका हाउस है? रवि का हाउस. सो रवि apostrophe S, Ravi's house is very spacious. These garments means कपड़े. These garments belong to Sarita. मीन्स सरिता को बिलोंग करते हैं, सरिता के हैं these garments. You will make it, these are Sarita's garments. Now when you read this 5 times, how conversion is done, you will be very clear about how to convert into possessive case. But you have to read the conversion at least 5 times, paying proper attention. Now how they have explained. The sentences given above on both the side mean the same, but sentences given on right hand sides are shorter and read better. That means ये इधर जो sentence है और इधर जो sentence है, both have same meaning, but this side it is shorter. Books of Amit को short करके Amit's books short हो गया sentence and it reads better. And apostrophe, ये जो sign होता है comma on the top, that is called apostrophe sign, is added to a noun to show possession or ownership. Okay, apostrophe is added. Whenever you convert in possessive case, you have to add an apostrophe sign to it. Formation of possessive form of singular nouns, and then we will study formation of possessive form of plural nouns. Now you know what is singular and plural. Read the above following sentences. This is Vimla's sari. The queen's gown are very expensive. The girl's mother is a nurse. That boy's clothes are white. My uncle's office is in Kanpur. The above sentences show that the possessive case of a singular noun is formed by adding apostrophe s. इनमें जितने nouns थे विमला, क्वीन, गर्ल, बॉय, अंकल, ये सारे सिंगुलर थे. सिंगुलर को जब पॉजिटिव केस बनाओगे यू विल जस्ट पुट एन एपोस्ट्रोफे एंड एन एस. विमला, व्हाट आई डिड, आई हैव पुट एन एपोस्ट्रोफे एंड एन एस in front of it. Okay, so for making possessive case of singular noun, what you have to do, you have to just put apostrophe s. Okay, but if s is the letter s is not used in those words that end with s or have too many hissing sounds, in such cases only an apostrophe is used to indicate position. Meaning of this is the word like Jesus, in this many s is there and it ends with an s, so we will not put one more s here, we will only put apostrophe at the end. क्योंकि अगर जीसस लिखेंगे फिर एपोस्ट्रोफे के बाद एक और एस लगाएंगे, हाउ विल इट साउंड, जीसस, सो इट विल नॉट साउंड प्रॉपर. सो whenever there are more than one s or s at the end, to make the pronunciation proper we will just put a single apostrophe mark at the end. So you have to, these are exceptionals. Now in this we see the formation of possessive form for plural nouns. In these sentences, these nouns girls, men, women, children, boys, these all are your plural nouns. For making possessive form of plural noun, we just put an apostrophe at the end. Girls है, गर्ल्स के बाद एक एपोस्ट्रोफी. देन बॉयज़, सो बॉयज़ के बाद एंड में एपोस्ट्रोफी. बट मेन, वीमेन, चिल्ड्रन ये भी प्लूरल है, बट इनके एंड में एस तो नहीं आता है ना, सो फॉर दैट वी कैन पुट एपोस्ट्रोफी एंड एस. आई शो यू इट अगेन. सी सम ऑफ द सिंगुलर वर्ड आर लाइक गर्ल, boy, man, child. Okay, now how will we make possessive case of the first word girl? We will put an apostrophe here and one s after that. Boy, this is singular, we will put one apostrophe and one s. This became boys. Possessive form. Man is singular, we put one apostrophe and one s. Child, we put one apostrophe and one s. For singular I told you. Now let us see for plural. So these are our plural words: girls, boys, men, children. For making this possessive, what we will do, this is our already plural, already it has one s. So here we will just put one apostrophe after it and it became possessive. For plural word boys, at the end we will put one apostrophe क्योंकि s पहले से ही है. Men is plural but it does not have s, so here we have to put apostrophe and s. Same for children, we will put one apostrophe and then s. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask me. For better understanding that, you can see the examples given here. Okay, so the possessive case is mainly used with the names of living things, as dogs, tail, elephants. Here we use preposition of for expressing possessive for non-living things. The tire of the car, the button of the coat. Not the car's tire, the coat's button. The car and coat is non-living thing. For that we don't use this form. For that we use this form is better for that. Okay.